Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, chrome mirror caps, trailering package, traction control,